Imagine a place where civil engineering isn't just theory, but a powerful blend of creativity and expertise brought to life. Welcome to SketchStruct, your go-to source for everything that defines civil engineering. Here at SketchStruct, we don't just talk structures. We take you into the core of what makes projects successful, from building foundation sketches to detailed construction plans. If you're a student eager to learn or a professional refining your skills, you'll find exclusive insights here. Curious about the practical side of engineering? Dive into our episodes where we break down the essentials of concrete foundations, detailed reinforcement plans, and even how to analyze column and wall layouts. We'll guide you on reading technical drawings like swimming pool designs and underground water tanks, so you'll master each step with confidence. Want to understand the true cost of construction? We'll show you how to estimate materials and create budget plans, covering real-world applications that will elevate your engineering projects. Every tutorial here is crafted to make complex concepts simple, while ensuring you gain hands-on skills that go beyond textbooks. From foundational layouts to high-rise detailing, each episode equips you to think like an engineer and execute with precision. This isn't just a channel, it's a community for aspiring and seasoned civil engineers committed to building smarter and stronger. Subscribe now and step into the future of civil engineering with SketchStruct. Your next step towards mastery begins here, with knowledge, insight, and a blueprint for success.